Hi everyone, my name's Anthony Rees and I'm a Solutions Architect at Chef, and today we're going to take a look at HPE OneView. So I've got a OneView appliance which is running on my machine here, and as you can see we've got some server hardware here that we've got, and connected to a couple of blade bays there. You can see that there's a bit of activity that's been going on, mainly deletes from some of the prior runs that I've been doing. And we don't have any networks that are provisioned here in this particular environment. So to get started with OneView and using Chef to automate your infrastructure, I'd suggest you go to the Chef supermarket and just do a quick search for OneView. And when you do, you'll come up with this cookbook for OneView, which is actually maintained by some team members at HPE. It's a really great way to get started, and all you have to do is have a bit of a read through it, and then download it, so clone it essentially, and then go through, and I'd suggest that you use the connection template example to get yourself started, and that's what we'll have a look at today. But there's a number of different ways that you can use OneView through Chef, but today what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the connection template. And so I've hooked up to my environment here locally, and we're going to go and stand ourselves up a Chef Ethernet and also a network set which is connected to that Ethernet. And then what we're going to do is go through and create the connection templates and hook it all up to that Ethernet and the fiber channel associated with it as well. So I'm running this thing locally. We're not going to use the Chef server or any of Chef Automate's integration today for compliance. So what we're going to do is we're going to literally run this command here, which is a local Chef client command. And we're going to hit my version of my OneView cookbook, and we're going to kick off that connection template. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. And what's going to happen is it'll kick off that cookbook, and in the background it will go off, talk to my OneView appliance, and it's going to go and set up the Ethernet first, so that you can go and see the creation of the Ethernet. And then it's going to go and create the network and then the associated fiber channels with it as well. So if we go back and have a look, we can see the activity which has gone and run here. And then if we have a look at the networks, you can see that we've created this new Chef Ethernet and also the associated fiber channel with that as well, and gone and stood all of that up ready for us to be able to consume and to use. And of course, just as easily as we went and stood it up, we can also go and tear it back down again as well. So there's also a cleanup step here that you can run too. And when you run this cleanup step, it's literally going to go and remove everything that it's gone and created. So if we go and kick that one off now, so essentially just running exactly the same steps. Okay, now it's not going to go and create all of those networks twice. It knows that it's already created them, so Chef will not touch anything. All it's going to do is go and check that everything exists and then go and delete it as I've asked it to go and do. And so we'll see those connections be removed in terms of network connections, and you can see them disappearing here in the background already. Okay, so there you go. See the action delete which is taking place. And it should be going and killing off that fiber channel as well. Okay, so there you go. You can see it being removed there in the background. Okay, and that's as simple as it is. So a really, really easy way to be able to get started and to be able to control all of your infrastructure via code using Chef. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know, and I'll be creating a couple more videos in this series. Have a great day.